Hello there YouTube, today we're going to test out this LaserPecker 4 Kickstarter kit.
9, 6, 9. 8, 6, 9.
We're going to test it with different kinds of material and also all the extensions that it has. I'm really excited about this laser engraving product, which we also have had the LaserPecker 2. That was also a really nice laser engraving machine. The LaserPecker 4 has a color touchscreen on top. By swiping the screen, you can choose which laser mode you want to use. We have the 1064 nm, which is a metal engraving, or we have the 450 nm, which will engrave more materials. So that's why this machine has more capabilities than the older generations, which is the LaserPecker 2 or the LaserPecker 3, which was only metal products. So the wattage that it is using, it's a 10 watts 450 nm laser. That's the blue laser. And the other one, 1064, is a 2 watts white diode, so you won't be able to see it. It's like almost see-through. And those are different materials that you can engrave on, and which is really convenient. The LP4 comes with this detachable magnetic shield that will prevent your eyes getting beams into it. It is a safety measurement, but always use your goggles that they provide with it, which is also the same color. So that is second safety measurement, and you can also buy a separate enclosure for it, which will completely put the machine inside of this material, which will prevent the laser beams going anywhere, like your pets or people around you. As for the extensions that you can get for it, we have this rotary system, which is really convenient if you want to engrave round objects, like let's say a bottle or like a ring. You can also put like a ring like this on here with other bits and pieces, so you can engrave the outer layer of it whichever way you want to. And also the LaserPecker 4, guys, many people don't know about this brand still. It's really high quality. I mean, the finish of the products that they provide are really nice. I really love them, and that's something that compels me to buy their products. And I'm really happy with the customer service as well. So you have also this sliding extension, which is really nice for batch engraving. Like let's say you have different materials on the sides like this, like small things, you can engrave them as well at one go, and that is also really a nice feature. And you can also engrave something that is larger that can slide over here, so you can have a long object to engrave as well. As you guys can see, I'm using the LaserPecker battery pack here that was not long ago come onto the market, which has a 12 volts option or a 24 volts option. For the LaserPecker 4 you will need to use the 24 volts, which now it's not, so now I just put it on the 24 volts, and this battery pack will last you for several engravings. As for the extension that I was talking about for the enclosure, it's this one. It has a door in the front. You can just open and close it. It will automatically know whether the door is open or not for safety measurements. It's a nice add-on as well, and it has a fan on the back. As you guys can see, it will take the fumes out, but I am really highly suggesting you guys get a fume extractor with a good ventilation, because these fumes that you are putting out can be really dangerous, guys. So keep that in mind. You can get, your animals can get sick, or you can get sick. Engrave or use your LaserPecker on a really well ventilated space. LaserPecker was also really kind to send us this USB wireless adapter that you can hook up to your laptop or PC to use the desktop application on your LaserPecker through the wireless. So let's get to the tests.
Introducing PCBWay.com, the online one-stop shop for all your electronic ambitions. Need circuit technology or small-run manufactured parts, PCBs, 3D prints or CNC millings in PLA, ABS or aluminium, and a whole rainbow of color options. Upload your specs, approve the design, pay and await express delivery. Fair pricing, no minimum orders, and total control throughout. Contact our design team at PCBWay.com.
So as you guys could see, all these tests have been done, and I hope you liked it, what output it could get. I really enjoyed it myself. I'm really happy, and as I said, there is a new product coming out, LaserPecker 5, which will be more expensive than this one, I'm guessing, because it will have also dual laser like this one. Really nice upgrade is both of them will be 20 watts instead of this one 2 watts and 10 watts being. So that's a nice something and a nice upgrade, but it's not for everyone. It's just I think you can get away with just hobby features on this one as well. So anyways guys, I hope you liked this video. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, hit the thumbs down if you didn't like the video, subscribe to my channel for more content like this in the future. Bye.